Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's LTZ Missy here coming at you with a brand new video going over Pionex, and look who is back at leverage trading. Man, I've been waiting for this moment. I thought we was pretty much here earlier this year, and I got overconfident in my positions that I was taking earlier in the year when like Bitcoin was getting to new all-time highs after the spot Bitcoin ETF approval was done by the SEC, and I just got overconfident and was not being smart with my trade. So this time around, be a whole lot smarter. But before I get into this video, I'd like to say that you should have taken time out to read disclaimer again in this video to understand what's going on this channel at all times. If you did not do that, please go back and do so that way we're on the same page. So with that said, let's get into this video. All right. So let's actually go over to my wallet first. So the futures count. So I deposited over here $102 today, and let me see. Click on transfer. Nope, that's not the history. But I transferred like $102 and like 15 cents, something like that, over here today. Just get started. So you can already see that I'm up to $112, over $112 currently, and I've already taken profit on a Solana position earlier, and it's getting ready to take profit again. It's like, so this time around, I'm gonna be a whole lot smarter with what I am doing, because there was plenty of times before earlier this year that I had opportunity to take profit, and I never did because I was getting too greedy. So I'm gonna try to stick within my risk management plan, at the proper way this time around, and just try to eliminate as much risk as possible. So let's go right to Solana and take a look what's going on there. As you can see, it got all the way up there too where my take profit was at, and it just didn't quite hit that line, and it rejected back down. So let's go to the 15-minute chart here. Maybe go to the 5-minute. Yeah, so it didn't quite get up there, and it rejected back down, but it should keep going back up here shortly. So that's what I'm hoping for. Then it's going to hit TP, and I'll be done with Solana for the second time today, as a matter of fact. Sui has been killing it. So this is on the 5-minute chart, of course, but when you come right to the hour chart, look at Sui. This thing is killing. I'm staking this crypto as well to earn some more of the Sui token crypto on a daily basis. And I'm also staking XRP, and I'm also staking Bitcoin. Although I believe that Bitcoin is going to do well, of course, like it always does, but I believe the altcoin is going to outperform Bitcoin when you talk about percentage returns, right? But as far as like dollar amount, yeah, Bitcoin is by far the king. And when you talk about the value of cryptocurrencies, right? But when you look at what the potential Solana as well, I want to take advantage of that rather on Sui and not possibly, but I'm about to speak some Spanish to y'all. Possibly XRP, as XRP is hoping to do some very huge things. Since that it looks like they're going to be finished with the SEC lawsuit, because that's what hindered their growth potential during the last bull run. It was right when the bull run was going on. They went ahead, SEC went ahead and announced a lawsuit against XRP, and it's pretty much stopped all the momentum of XRP at that moment. And XRP then taking advantage of any of the bull run potential that it could have during the last cycle. So this cycle, we'll see what happens with XRP. So that's something else I would keep my eye on to be able to trade here in the future. So it already hit TP right here with Solana, and so I'm gonna go back over to Solana. So we look at that chart, and you can see it hit my TP. So could I get back in? Yes, I could. But like I said, I'm not going to get greedy this time around. And just going to take the profit bit by bit and just let my account grow. And so let's go down here to Sui again. I want to see what that's doing. I hope that Sui can get up to very good dollar amount. As far as price range during this next bull cycle, because man, this right here has a very good potential. Do your research on Sui. Don't take my word for it. Do your own research to make your determination if you want to get involved with investing to Sui as well. Okay. Then of course we already know what the potential of Ethereum can be, as their all-time highs like over $4,000, and when you see what Ethereum is at right now, what $31.97. Now, I believe that Ethereum is really going to do some very good things. So let me actually adjust this take profit right here. And so that way I could try to get some more profit. So if it hits my TP, that'd be $10.79, of course, before the fee. But looking at probably like a good well over $9 if it hits my TP. And so this is what I'm doing right now, and I think that many of us are looking forward to this, because we're now understanding how big bull runs are with the cryptocurrency market, right? And many people got rich during the last one by just doing leverage trading. And I know that in the United States, you're not able to take advantage of leverage trading, but you can do spot trading as well. So you can still grow, trade these different cryptocurrency assets on cryptocurrency exchanges that you're allowed to create an account with. Like Pionex is one of those as well, but it'd be spot trading only. So it's no leverage trading to be able to multiply your earnings a whole lot faster in a short amount of time, right? So, like what I just did was able to get like maybe, I don't know how much percentage gain I got so far, probably like around 8% gain. And it was just short moving up. See, with spot trading, it's going to take bigger movements in order for you to get the same return that I'm getting in a short amount of time with leverage trading. That's the only thing though. But is it possible for you to grow your holdings? Absolutely. You can trade and still take advantage of the market in a way during this bull run, to where, just imagine if you start your account with like $100, like pretty much like what I did, and during this bull run you're able to grow it to, I don't know, let's say $200,000. Imagine what you can do with just 2% per day. So let's say like 200,000 times 2%. Let's go and put the percentage sign in there. So you get like $4,000. Multiply that times 30. That's $120,000 per month. Multiply that times 12. That's $1,440,000 per year, right? So I'm gonna go right to the compound calculator and just show you what it is that I'm trying to do, right? So I say, although I put in like $102, like 15 cents, just put $102 in there. And if I can just get 2% per day, and let's say that I do this for the next 2 years, and so we're gonna say that all days a week are not included, because it's not gonna be every day that I'll be able to trade. There's not gonna be every day that I will get a profit as well. I'm gonna take some losses, but I'm just gonna say on average 5 days per week I'm able to trade and hopefully get some profits, right? No guarantees, but so if we do that, $102 times 2% daily for 2 years and calculate that, I can end up having over $3 million in my account. Well, I'll just say probably $3 million. But let's say that I don't perform that well and I hit $1 million instead. So if you come right here to $1 million before I show you what the $3 million is looking at on a monthly and daily basis, just say that I just average 2% per day, right? And that'd be 20,000. Hold on, let me make sure I did that right. So 1 million times 2%. Make sure I clicked on that right. So $20,000 per day, right? And let's say that we do that, times 5, and then multiply that times 4. So we're looking at $400,000 per month. Then you multiply that times 12 months out of the year. That's $4.8 million per year. That's very good living, and that's me just trading on my own. Will it be simple to do this? Absolutely not. But if you're able to take your time, read the chart correctly and everything like that, unlike what I was doing earlier this year when I was being super reckless, I knew that things was happening and it's going to take a dump. But I was like, look, Bitcoin's already reached its all-time high. It's going to keep going up. So I was very ignorant at that time. Now I'm just paying attention to things a whole lot, closely. So that way I can be in better position to, like, okay, it takes a dip, I can, short the trade and take profits that way as well. Or I can wait it out and then ride it back up, right? So now when you look at that, if I was to underperform and get $1 million in my account, that's still good. Now, if you come right here and you see month to month, starting pretty much this month, it's not the full month, of course, but it's saying here that I can get $35.28 if I was to average 2% 5 days per week, right? And then in December, so I can get up to pretty much $75 in profit. Now my balance is up to over $212.23. And you can see how it's jumping up. So it's showing here by like June of next year, I can have my account at over $2,700. And then you can see it really jump up. By, let's say, November of next year, it could be over $23.6 thousand that I can have trading in my account. And then you look at what it can be at after that moment. Look how it just jumps up. It's just crazy, right? And so you go right to the daily potential, and So right now I'm already pretty much, it's saying that by the 15th of November, I can be at $112.62. Well, let me go right here to my wallet right now, futures account, and yeah, I already got $114 in my account right now in profit. So yeah, technically I'm already ahead. If you want to look at that, what's going on right now in my account, and that's the thing as well that I took for granted last time. I'm already ahead. Let me get some more to get even further ahead. So I kept getting greedy, and I was just like was not respectful of the market at all. All right. So I'm just trying to prevent that from happening this time around. I mean, look at my P&L for today. I'm on almost $12 in profit, starting at $102. So if you take say $12 divided by 102, multiply that by 100, you're talking about 11.76% gain or 11.77% gain today. That is outstanding. So I'm trying to wait for Sui to get to a good enough profit so I can close it out. I may just end up closing it out right now because like Sui, I don't expect Sui to do huge movements like Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, right? But it will still move. So I'm just gonna leave it open and see what happens. And same thing with Ethereum because Solana's already did its thing. But back to over here, you can see I'm already ahead for the week. Then you can see where I should be at by the end of next week, and the week after that, and the week after that, and so on and so forth. So if I can stay ahead of what the compound calculator is showing where I should be at on a weekly basis, whether it's by a little bit or by a lot, I mean, I'm just going to take it. Close out, be finished for the day, and then wait till the next day, see when is a good time to enter into the market, whether it's going to be short trades or long trades, and try to take advantage of the market to the best of my ability. All right. So I'm trying to set myself up right along everybody else, and I just want to show you that I am back into leverage trading, and I'm just going to take things slowly this time around, and I'm not just going to be just reckless this time around. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. As let me get back over here to the futures trading because let me see what's going on exactly with Ethereum. See here, what's that, the 1 hour chart? Yes, it is. And now let me take a look at Sui. Let's go. Let me do that. Let's go down here to Sui, and let's take a look at that. So you can see that Sui is trying to move back up, but I'm gonna leave this position open because look at what it has done. This right here since the 9th. This is yesterday. From yesterday all up until now. This is that right there's incredible movement right there. Then when you take a look at Ethereum, like all of these other altcoins have been doing bigger movements since the election day than Bitcoin. It's incredible, but Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high again of $80,000. But when you look at what Ethereum has been doing, I can technically just leave this thing open because look at that trend. I mean, look at this right here. This is ridiculous. Look at that trend. It's not even like even dumping right now. That is amazing. So that's the reason why I went ahead and set the TP up here to like over $10 profit and see what happens. Okay, but I do have the stop losses there, and last time I also moved the stop losses or didn't set stop losses, and I just completely reckless, right? So this time around I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna get liquidated like I did other times before. Even with the trading bots, I was using futures trading bots, was getting liquidated with those as well because I didn't have a stop loss on them. So by all means, please do not be reckless like I was before. I didn't use stop losses, or I kept readjusting the stop losses and making the losses worse, and then I jump right back in and make compound my losses. So just take it slowly, okay? This is not a race to get rich quick. This is something that you can build up toward become financially free over the course of time. All right, and then you'll be able to trade anywhere around the world, how you see fit, and live how you want to. Okay, and that's what it is that I wanted to be able to show you. And so I hope that this video has been beneficial to you. So if you like what you heard and saw, please subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. If you're interested in joining Pionex cryptocurrency exchange, I have my links down in the description of this video as well as in the comment section. If you heard of crypto Pionex from someone else, please get back with that person, use their referral link, create your account, get your KYC done, make your first deposit, and then test things out. If you want to start slowly, start with the trading bots. So that way it is it's easier to manage your risk management that way. Okay, so that right, that's all to say. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in this video. Take care, everyone.